Welcome back, my ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two body shaper, one that you can wear under a dress and one that you can wear inside or outside depending on how you want to style it. These two body shapers, they are from Nobility. Some of the facts that we need to know about body shaper, aside from the fact that it's going to smoothen out anything that it's not looking pretty under your dress, it's going to really help you with your posture. If you're the type that whenever you're standing you're always slouching like this, that you look funny, with the help of a body shaper you can actually straighten that out. It could be a temporary solution, but in the meantime, temporarily, a body shaper that's well made with good quality will help your body to align in the right position that it's supposed to be. It's just going to make the back look firm, your butt lifted, and everything smooth out seamlessly. So without further ado, my ladies, let's jump right into today's video. Here is the brand that I'm working with today. I told you earlier on I have two body shaper that I'm going to be presenting from them. We're going to jump quickly into this video. This is not scripted. I'm just going to go with the flow now. I don't want to stress too much and I don't want to prolong the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. This is the first one. I'm going to show you the features. I love the fact that it has this kind of a mesh net kind of design going on here. It's in the middle section. That is when the magic begins. Like, you can actually tell that this is a body shaper. Look at it. It's very strong, very strong. So this is going to hold you in the right places. I'm going to show you before and after, of course, for you to see the difference. You all know that when you wear some certain dress, you need to have a body shaper under it so that you can have that seamless look. Everything will be smoothing out. Okay, so this body shaper has this right here. It has this hook right here that you can use to adjust it. Also, you can use it to crisscross if you want to go with two, like another style, which I'm going to try and see if it's going to work, because I like to be practical. Okay, I'm not just going to say without doing. So it has both. It has the hook on both on the right and the left, of course, and it has a zip right here that stays right there. And after the zip, it also has this hook in the middle that you can also use to secure it more if you really want. Let me move back so you can see it. Look at that V shape. That is another layer on top of this body shaper already, so that's going to secure your tummy more. Then they have at the bottom, we have the zip that if you want to use the restroom, you don't have to pull it all the way down. You just unzip and it's all the way to the back, enough to open for you to be able to do your business, that you don't have to worry that you're going to drip any, on your clothes or under the body shaper. And the back, it has this butt lift effect at the back. Let's get it straightened out so you can see it. It has it. The butt lift effect is at the back right here. Really nice. I love it. It's a good quality. I love it. The kind of material that they use for the back right here is the same they use going towards the bottom, so that it will be breathable. I believe that is why they use that kind of material. Then where the real action is the middle, and that's why it's a body shaper. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on for you ladies to see the before and after. Ladies, please ignore this tube top that you're looking at. This body shaper is supposed to be under your bra, and I'm not here to advertise the bra or advertise the girls. That's why I'm wearing this, just to cover it. Okay, so this is it on me. The zip is right there, and I really love this double tummy flatten effect that it has here. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful and it holds me in all of the right places. The hook is right here, like I said, on both sides. I'm going to see if I can crisscross it. I mean, just to see. It's not that you can wear it like that, because it's going to be under your dress. Nobody going to see that style. It's just out of curiosity I'm going to do that. Okay, and here is the side. How is lifting that butt. Ooh. Everything is just perfect. I love it, and I love the fact that it came all the way here. That's why I said it's going to help you with your posture. It's going to help you. It's not those spaghetti strap pants. It's all the way here, and they use a breathable material here. They use a breathable material all over here. It's only at the center, which is supposed to be to help us to flatten the tummy, because that's the reason why we're wearing it, also to smoothen out all our body. It's here that they actually put that effect, and I love the fact that they put the effect right here. This is beautiful. So this is without the body shaper. Got the front, side, this is the back, and the other side. Tell me, look at that side that I said you should be looking at. Did you see? Look at that. Look at how smooth this is. To see the difference, look at the back. You see how smooth? And the other side, see, this is really nice. This is beautiful. I'm going to style this in so many ways, but not in this video because I don't want it to be too long. This is just my honest review about Nebility shapewear. Okay, the quality though, oh my god, I don't think I've ever seen any corset that the quality is as beautiful as this one. Like, holding it alone, you can feel that you have a good quality corset in your hands. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look at that V shape, the V back. This is for you to be very, very comfortable. It's not the straight one. This one is made in such a way that it will go with the curve of your back because of your side. You will see what I'm talking about when I put it on. So I just want to show you this beautiful detailing that they have here. They have a net on top of another design under it, which is straight see-through. You can see it. It has 1, 2, 3 clips, layers that you can use to clip it according to how you feel, and they have it in different sizes. For size reference, I'm going to be styling the size medium. Its steel bone is not hard. See, you see how I'm bending it. You know how you have steel bones in corsets that you want to bend, you're going like this, but with this one it will be flexible with your body because you can bend it. So let me go ahead and style it for you ladies. Okay, so this is the second one. Look at this. As in, I love how this is right here. As in, it's very comfortable, very, very comfortable. I use the last one, the last clip, which is the third one, and this is the back. You see how this V shape is made just to, that's how it's supposed to be, not that straight one. And I can bend, yeah, you can move around. I think I like this. It's beautiful, and you can also style it like this or other ways that I'm going to show you on the screen. Ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you all think? This is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, even though the girls are not that big, but they look like I love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah, and it's well made. It's good quality, and also of course it flattens my tummy. Look at that right here, and look at the side, the back. Ladies, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. Please let me know your thought about this video. Please like this video as well, and also share maybe with your friends and family. Maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. Maybe they will find it helpful as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.